Okay, so here we go. Don't forget to subscribe, people. I do a video every 2 days. We've run through the set out. This is a pain. This is because we've had so much rain. Everything's got a little bit wet, but it doesn't cause any damage to a tile, so it's all good. Get the paper off, get the cardboard, we'll just put that there. Put that one aside because the cardboard should be fully off. Right, there's no pattern in this tile. It's sweet. I want to be a little bit less than 10 mil away from the wall, so we'll bring it over a tad, a little bit, bring it over to there. Nice one, Charlie. What I've shown you in other videos before, always get your glue away from the edge of the tile. For most new jobs, I pick up a new trowel. It's a 12mm notchy. So you start off with a nice new trowel and your home and hose. It's going to be a beautiful, fine grout line. Lovely, tell your mum. I'm using that as a gauge, but once I've laid my line right through, I'll run my straight edge right along and I'll show you how to straighten your whole row before you go on to your second one. Same procedure, get your glue away from the edge. Don't forget to subscribe. I had a feeling there was some cardboard there. Get that off. Nice. I know this is what the owner is exactly what they're after. A nice light tile and a nice clean fresh grout line. Skinny grout line. Big grout lines like this 25 years ago are out. Okay, I'll come back to you shortly. I'll lay this row and then I'll come back to you and we'll be on the second row. Don't forget to subscribe. I bring out a video every 2 days. We'll see you soon. Bye.